Hello everybody and welcome. In this video we are going to be learning how you can gift games on Epic Games to your friends or family or whoever you want to share your games with. So in Steam you have various options. You can even lend games to your friends, or you can simply purchase for them, or just there are pretty much options to basically gift games to your friends. But if we are talking about Epic Games, now let's say if I want to purchase Red Dead Redemption 2 for one of my friend, and I just add it to my library. So you can see when I click on this, so here as you can see we have few options to buy now, add to cart, or in wishlist. It is added already. So let's say I want to purchase it for one of my friend, and I simply click on buy now, and when I click on that you can see it will be directed towards the checkout section, and it is right now loading the order. So here as you can see we do not have any particular option to gift it to one of our friends or just send them on their account or something like that, similar to what they have on Steam. So basically they do not have any feature regarding to gifting the game to your friends. So it means that we cannot gift a game to our friend if we want to, because the feature is not introduced yet. So yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much it, and I really hope this video was helpful in any certain way and it saved your time of searching of the ways on how to share games to your friends. So that feature is simply not available. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.